So here I am in Adobe Experience Manager Assets. It's an enterprise product for managing assets like images, videos, clip arts, documents, and it is used by marketing managers around the world for managing different kinds of assets. And in comparison to Dropbox, it is pretty similar. It's a content management system, but it has much more powerful controls to search and find your assets and tag them as well. So let's get into the workflow of search in AEM Assets. I click on Assets and I'll click on Files to go access my files in this repository. It's a content management system, so I see all my content here, lots of images. But my brief will be to find backpack images which are PNG and of a certain file size. So I go and press my search icon, I see location assets, and I type in backpack and I hit my enter button and I can see a lot of search queries, and there are my backpack images. It gives me a lot of metadata about images, but let's say I want to find a PNG from this lot. So I open up my filter panel, my filter rail is right here. I get into my file type, and if I just want to get into, let's say, images or only vector images or only PNGs, I can get into the further refinement of PNGs, and the system will immediately tell me that these are the two PNGs available in backpacks. Similarly, lots of refinement. Let me switch this off, and getting into the granularity of search, I can get to my particular asset by interacting through these accordions and drop downs. I can also get into a file size. So let's say I want images of more than 2 MB. I can go and choose my unit here, and I can find out whether it has like 2 MB up 1 to 2 MB size images. And if I press enter, I see then these assets are from 1 MB to 2 MB range, basically because these are PNGs which are of 1 MB size. So lots of granularities there in terms of search in enterprise products. But again, to access the filter rail and get into these accordions and drop downs to learn how search works, it will be interesting of how much a user can grasp all of this UI. This is the UI that currently works, and my proposal is to change it with a more conversational UI with a chatbot, and to talk to your content management system so that the content management system can talk to you back and give you much more finer results as a conversational UI. Thanks.